What are you doing in there?
Filling up the bottom of the greenhouse, the greenhouse beds, or whatever they're called, garden beds.
You're getting a workout.
A little one. See how good you drive.
Okay,
Now what?
and then to fill her up. There we be.
And then it's manual labor,
Then it's manual labor.
filling up these nice.
$15 an hour, isn't it? What's minimum
Yeah,
wage?
something like that. Look at that. That back one is nice and full now, and totally built. I'm gonna fill this one up and put another wall on it, and then we'll do the final one. Actually, there's a middle one too. Big one.
What you doing over there?
We are putting plastic in the
Yeah, protect all of that fine wood that we cut and
beautiful
burned.
wood that you burned and cut.
Yeah, up to about 6 inches from the top or
Well,
something.
we went a little low down here.
Yeah, no
It's
worries.
supposed to be 6 inches from the top.
Yeah, but if we have to, we can swap out those top boards. They're dead easy if we ever need to. 5 years from now or whatever. And yeah, we got a wheelbarrow full of topsoil. So we have offloaded and reloaded into flower beds
Hey,
6,000 pounds of topsoil. That's a workout. Hey, no gym required.
Like and subscribe.
Absolutely spectacular day. This is why we live 20 minutes from a ski hill. Look at her go. It's a good day for her on the moguls.